All About Me by Fatima Quezada. Introduction. My name is Fatima Quezada. I'm in 8th grade. I'm going to tell you guys all about me. I have 5 people in my family. Friends are very important to me and I care about them like family. Surface culture language. I speak 2 languages, Spanish and English. My family prefers to speak Spanish more. Surface culture food. I love to eat food so much, such as tacos, tamales, and enchiladas. Surface culture holidays. I love Christmas so much because I get presents. On Christmas, my mom makes a lots of food and my cousins come to my house. My favorite food during the holidays is tamales. This is a tradition in my family. Many Mexican American families eat tamales at Christmas. Surface culture music TV. I love to listen to Ozuna and Prince Royce, Romeo Santos, Shakira. I love to watch Netflix. Deep culture communication style. I like to speak to people in person rather than on the phone. Surface culture flags. The flag is green, white, red, so the flag reminds me that my dad is from Mexico. Deep culture religion beliefs. My mom taught me that going to church is important in my culture. My mom taught me that it's important to pray every night to God. Deep culture personal space. Most of the time, I need personal space. If it's my friends or family, it's okay with me getting close to them. Like I can get close to Lali and Danielle. Deep culture manners. In my culture, it's very important to use manners. For example, saying thank you after someone has done something nice for me. Thank you.